This is the Bhautika or the physical representation of the Navagrahas, the 9 cosmic influences upon us. This is the Yantrika or the technical representation of what their nature is and how they behave. And this is the Daivika or the deity representation, which is highly symbolic. This representation tells us in a story format the origin of these grahas, their relationships with each other, how they affect our lives, and how to take charge of these forces. Worshipping Surya, Shukra, or Shani does not mean that ours is a backward civilization that feared the planets. What it means is that we had a keen insight into how these forces work and how they influence our deepest desires, compulsions, and our actions here on this planet. In one line, Joteshastra is the study of these cosmic influences on life here on Earth. We developed principles to foresee our possible futures and devised methods to shape our destinies the way we wish to. That is Joteshastra. In this series of videos that are free and accessible to all, we will use various such models of the Saura Mandala or the solar system as they are referred to in authentic Sanskrit texts of Joteshastra, and how various charts and representations that they offer reflect what is happening at a cosmic scale. The simplest, most common, but also a very effective shloka that invokes the grace of all these forces upon us goes something like this. Namah Suryaya Chandraya Mangalaya Budhaya cha Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. What this means is, I bow down to these forces so that their influence upon me may be favorable. What are those forces? They are referred to by these terms: Surya, so Suryaya, Chandraya, Mangalaya, Budhaya cha, and Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. Feel free to repeat this section as many times as you wish to perfect your pronunciation and understanding of this shloka. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with those whom you think would benefit from this. Also, consider supporting our projects through one-time contributions or monthly memberships, which come with exclusive perks. It is your support that enables us in presenting more of such valuable principles from our Shastras in their most authentic format. Do check the links in the description and in the pinned comments. See you in the next video of this series. Namaskaram.